So you can see I've torn out some of that fiberglass. Now I'm just going to show you how running a Sawzall across there might work, in case you're concerned as to how that would go. I've drilled a couple holes through there to start my blade, and then I'm just going to run my Sawzall across there to start cutting that into pieces. So I've drilled a hole right here already, and I know there's water lines right there that I'm going to be careful of. I'm going to run my blade more vertical than horizontal into the wall. I'm going to run it vertically. These fiberglass shower units have fiberglass on the surface side of them, but then they're also made up of styrofoam and wood as well. So as you're cutting through that with your Sawzall, there might be times it feels like you're cutting into something hard, but that's just the wood that's inside of that those layers of fiberglass. Okay, just wanted to give you an idea of the distance that we had here anyway between the edge of the fiberglass and the copper pipes that were back in the wall. So when we were running that Sawzall, there's quite a lot of void, a lot of empty space back in there, but you definitely don't want to get too crazy with your blade. That's just some dust that's on that pipe, but just gives you an idea what to be careful for. Alright, another thing I want to point out. I mentioned to you that we are going to get rid of that bump out in the wall over here and be able to grow our shower a little bigger. We're also going to come out further this way on the wall because we have the room between the stool and the toilet. I'm sorry, the stool and the tub. But even if you don't have extra room to grow your shower, because your room just doesn't allow it, it just isn't big enough, fiberglass units have all kinds of contours and voids to them. So in this case, this wall's still standing where it was originally, but there's a good 2 inches between here where we're going to glue our MarbleWorks product right onto this and in the face of this. We're going to gain 2 inches there. Down in this part, the fiberglass unit, it's closer to 4 inches in here that we're going to gain. So even if you don't have extra room to increase the actual footprint of your shower, that shower is going to feel a lot bigger when you go in with cultured marble, because here again, from the stud to here, we've got about 3 inches that we're going to gain there. So your new MarbleWorks shower is going to feel a lot bigger than your fiberglass shower.